In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import from Excel into Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you want to log into your Wrike account. To do this, head over to the Wrike login page. You can either enter your credentials or use your connected Google account, which is super convenient. This simple step ensures that you have access to all your projects and relevant data. Once you're logged in, take a look at your dashboard. Here you'll find all your project workspaces neatly organized. Navigate to the specific project workspace where you want the imported data to reside. This is where we will be importing our Excel data, so make sure you select the right one. If you have a lot of projects, it might take a moment, but it's an essential step to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Now let's move on to the next step. Within your selected project workspace, look for the task table. This is where Wrike displays all tasks associated with your project. Once you've located the task table, look towards the top right corner where you'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. These dots often indicate additional options or menus, so go ahead and click on them. A mini menu will drop down right before your very eyes. In this drop-down menu, you will find various options, but what we need to focus on is the option labeled Import from Excel. Click on this, and you will set the stage for importing your data smoothly into Wrike. Now, after you've selected Import from Excel, a prompt window will pop up. This is where the real magic happens. You'll see a button that says Select File. Go ahead and click on that button. This will open up your File Explorer, allowing you to browse through your computer. Make sure that you have your Excel data saved as a CSV file because Wrike requires this format for a successful import. Take a moment to locate that file. Whether it's on your desktop or in a specific folder, find the file containing the data you want to import. Once you've found it, click on it to select it and then hit the Open button. After that, you might want to double-check that everything looks correct in the prompt window before moving forward. Once you're satisfied that your file is the right one, go ahead and confirm the import. Wrike will take a moment to process the file and integrate the data into the project you specified. And just like that, you've successfully imported your data from Excel into Wrike. It can be a huge time saver, eliminating the need for manual data entry and helping you to keep everything organized in one place. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Happy project managing in Wrike,